Hi, welcome to Ebert's Greenhouse Village. My name is Jake and I'm excited. This is the last behind the scenes look that I'm doing this year before we open, because we open on Wednesday, April 15th. It's been a very busy season. We've planted thousands, in fact hundreds of thousands of plants, and we are gearing up for a really grand opening. This will be our 50th season of growing plants, first as vegetables and then transition into mostly flowers, but we still have a beautiful selection of herbs, veggies, and fruits. So I hope that you're able to check it out come Wednesday and then on into the season. Thank you so much for joining me these last few minutes. I hope that you are inspired and you're excited as we are about the upcoming season. And I look forward to seeing you again next week, either in person or to show you a look at what is going on once we're open and all the beautiful flowers. So have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you again soon.